Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see tags on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram and then we enter our profile. After that, we will click on the tagged content section, and here we can see the posts where we have been tagged on Instagram. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.